Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your Facebook account by requiring a second form of verification. Follow these steps to enable it easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open a password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Access security settings. Click on the downward arrow in the top right corner of the page, then select Settings and Privacy, followed by Settings. From the left sidebar, click on Security and Login. Step 3. Find two-factor authentication. Scroll down to the two-factor authentication section. You will see an option that says Use two-factor authentication. Click on Edit next to it. Step 4. Choose your authentication method. You will be prompted to select your preferred method of authentication. You can choose to receive a text message or use an authentication app. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your chosen method. Step 5. Complete the setup. Once you have selected your method, follow the prompts to complete the setup. You may need to enter a code sent to your phone or generated by your authentication app to finalize the process. Enabling two-factor authentication is a simple yet effective way to enhance your account security. Make sure to keep your contact information updated to avoid any issues in the future.